Welcome to our complete guide on Germany immigration, costs, and citizenship for 2024. Whether you are dreaming of starting a new life in Germany, pursuing better career opportunities, or reuniting with family, this video will provide you with everything you need to know about making that dream a reality. Germany is one of the most attractive destinations for immigrants worldwide. With a robust economy, high quality of life, excellent education, and a rich cultural heritage, it's no wonder why so many people want to move here. But how do you get started? First, let's talk about the different types of visas and permits available for those looking to move to Germany. Employment visa. For skilled workers, the employment visa is the most common pathway. This requires a job offer from a German employer and often involves proving that there are no suitable candidates from within the EU. EU Blue Card. The EU Blue Card is designed for highly skilled non-EU nationals. To qualify, you must have a university degree and a job offer with a salary meeting the threshold set by German authorities. Student visa. If you are planning to study in Germany, you'll need a student visa. Proof of admission to a German university and sufficient financial means are required. Family reunion visa. For those with family members already residing in Germany, the family reunion visa allows spouses and children to join their family members. Applying for a visa involves several steps, and it's important to prepare thoroughly. Check requirements. Start by checking the specific requirements for the visa type you need on the official German immigration website. Gather documents. Collect all necessary documents, including your passport, proof of employment or admission, financial statements, and health insurance. Submit application. Submit your application at the nearest German consulate or embassy. Some applications can be submitted online. Attend interview. You may be required to attend an interview as part of the process. Be prepared to answer questions about your plans and qualifications. Wait for approval. Processing times can vary, so be patient. Once approved, you'll receive your visa and can start making travel arrangements. Understanding the costs involved is crucial for planning your move. Visa fees. Visa fees can range from €75 to €100, depending on the visa type. Health insurance. Health insurance is mandatory in Germany. Costs can range from €80 to €200 per month. Living expenses. Living expenses vary by city. On average, you should budget around €800 to €1,200 per month for rent, food, transportation, and other essentials. Relocation costs. Don't forget relocation costs, including airfare, shipping personal belongings, and initial accommodation. Once you've settled in Germany, you might be interested in obtaining citizenship. Here's how you can achieve that. Residency requirement. You must have lived in Germany for at least 8 years. This can be reduced to 7 years with integration courses. Language proficiency. Proficiency in German, usually at the B1 level, is required. Financial stability. You must prove that you can support yourself without relying on state benefits. Civic knowledge. Passing a naturalization test on German laws, culture, and society is mandatory. Dual citizenship. Germany generally does not allow dual citizenship, so you may need to renounce your current citizenship, with some exceptions for EU and Swiss nationals. We hope this guide has provided you with a clear understanding of the Germany immigration process, the costs involved, and the path to citizenship. Moving to a new country is a big step, but with the right information and preparation, it can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comprehensive guides on living and thriving in Germany. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey.